Okay, I'm back here at Aloette Go in Liberty Village, the Liberty Market building. Turn around, should give you a view. And this time I'm trying their burger. It's Burger Go, I think $9. But I added the bacon to it, so it's a few more dollars on that. So I'm gonna give it a go on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. This is my review for my channel, What's Cooking with Lizzo C, and I know it's gonna be a 5-star review anyway. I've had their burger already before, but at the restaurant at Aloette on Spadina and Queen, their burger and fries were like, I think it was $21. Yeah, $21 or so. Maybe it's gone up now. That was a couple of years ago. So don't quote me on that price, but when I went, it was $21 plus tax. Okay, I opened it up because it's hard to just slip it out, because look at all that. There's like the pickles, onions, there's the bacon, and look at the cheese. It's all crispy at the edges. And then they have their Aloette sauce, like a garlic mayo. Look at this. I don't know. Where do I bite into this? Oh my God. All right, I'm going for it. It's good. Oh yeah. Very good. What can I say? It's a good smash burger. The crispy edges of the cheese, the bacon, well made. Check it out, Aloette Go. They have other locations as well now. For $9 without the bacon. I don't know, a couple bucks add on for the with bacon. So if you're in Toronto or you live in Toronto, check out Aloette Go or Alo. Check out their website. They have other locations. And take a bite.